RCA LCD with solarization mode, and with a little bit of testing and experimenting in the service mode. This service mode, the TI mode, there you are, TI mode. What that has to do with is the 8-bit, the bit information that's actually in the TV set. So you got solarization. So we go to TI mode 13, and then there you are. You can hit the exit button, wherever the exit button is, and there you are. And now you got a great looking TV set. Let me change the station here. There you are. Your TV's fine. This is a video from Picture Perfect TV Repair, 702-644-1456, Las Vegas, Nevada. Thank you.